What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, Sugar Salon TV. This is going to be a quick, brief video about color. So you see my client's hair right here is black, and now it's red. Now it's like a copper. Now it's blue. And the reason it's all these colors is because she loves colors. Love color. Okay, she just got black done on April the 6th. And so today is August the 21st. And it hadn't even been, I think, just about almost 4 months. And she's in to strip the black out. So I'm trying to strip this black color out, this black hair color that she said she wanted. So you guys, I want to just educate you guys for a minute about hair color, which I had mentioned all of this to her as well before she got the black. So if you like doing color, you like changing up your color, that's all well and good. Just make sure you go to a licensed stylist who has a lot of experience with color. All hairstylists are not created equal, and so you just want to make sure they are well educated with color. So when she got this black, I had mentioned to her that I didn't recommend she get black because she loves color. So it's different if your hair is black naturally, like if your hair is naturally black or naturally a dark color, you know, trying to go lighter in that situation is fine. It's not that hard. It's not a challenge. But whenever your hair is black because you got black hair color in it, that's going to be more of a challenge, because when you try to go lighter, we got to strip this black out. So for me, you know, for a lot of hairstylists, you know, they may be like, that ain't nothing. I'm going to just throw some bleach on here and I'm going to lighten it up. I'm going to throw some lightener on here and get it lighter. Then I'm going to throw whatever color they want on there. For me, I beg to differ, because if somebody's natural, you see this texture, kinkiness in her hair, I'm not trying to pull that out. I'm trying to do her hair so when I do her color, when I finish, it won't look like, her hair won't look like she got relaxed hair. I won't pull all that texture out. So I'm very conservative when it comes to color, because at the end of the day, I want people to have hair on their head, and I want them to trust me that when they, you know, get color with me, they know their hair is not going to come out. So I was trying to get her not to get the black, but she got it anyway. And so then she wanted to go ahead, you know, just a few months later, because that was April 6th. This is August the 21st. Do the math. She wanted to go ahead and get brown, like a lighter brown. So at the shampoo bowl, I mixed up my own little concoction, no lightener, no bleach or anything like that. Just something I mixed up myself that I try to strip out some of that color. Now, for us hairstylists, we know we can go in the beauty supply and we can get color removers and all of that. But they are harsh on the hair too. So again, I'm trying to make up my own little concoction. So you can see that it did get lighter. And I did use some color on her hair as well. So my whole thing, you guys, is to wait on the side of conservativeness, which I'm not trying to damage anybody's hair. So right now I'm just pressing it out. You can see it's lightened, that it's lighter. So I did get to strip some of the black out. But again, like if she come back and want black, I'm going to be like, nope. We're not doing no black, and then going back lighter 4 months later. But this is, she's a sweetheart. Used to come to my storefront. Been coming to me for years. Used to come to my salon. Just a beautiful spirit inside out. Beautiful girl. Very respectful. And so you guys, on this video, it looked like it took me 30 minutes. It took hours to do this, because whenever you're weighing on the side of safety like I do, it's going to take longer. Like, it's quick if I throw some bleach on there or some lightener on there, lighten her hair, strip out all her texture out of her natural hair, do all that, cause damage and all that. That's quick. I can be like, okay, hey girl, okay, bye girl, give me my money kind of thing. No, that's not how I operate. So it did take a while, because I was trying to do it the most conservative, healthy way as possible. So now she wanted some layers cut in there, so I'm doing that. So you guys, she's gonna come back in about a month, and then when she comes back in a month, my focus is gonna be to try to even out, tone out the color to make it more even all over, and then to give her a deep treatment. And so she'll be coming in about a month. When she does come back in, rather, I will make sure I make a video of that as well. But again, my advice to you guys who love, you beautiful sisters who love, women who love color, that's all well and good, but don't take it down to a black. If you take it down and want to go to a darker color, I would recommend no lower than a level 4, because it won't be so much of a challenge. When she comes back in, then I'll tone it a little bit more, and then I'll do her deep treatment. And you guys, this is her final result. So stay tuned for the next video. I will record it so you can see her final outcome. See you on the next video. I hope you enjoy my videos. Give me a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys so much. You're a blessing. Be blessed.